Welcome! If you've ever been tagged in a photo on Instagram that you'd rather not have displayed on your profile, but you don't want to remove the tag completely, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you the updated steps to hide tagged photos on Instagram without removing the tag. This way, you keep your connections intact, but your profile stays exactly how you want it. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Make sure you're logged into the account where you want to manage your tagged photos. Next, head over to your profile. Just tap your profile picture at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you're on your profile page, look for the 3 horizontal lines at the top right. This is the menu icon. Tap it to open up more options. From here, tap on Your Activity. This section is where Instagram keeps track of everything you do, including your tagged photos. Now, tap on Tags. Here, you'll see all the photos and videos where you've been tagged by other users. To start hiding photos, tap Select at the top right corner of the screen. You'll now be able to choose which tagged photos you want to hide from your profile. Simply tap on each photo you want to hide. You can select as many as you need. Once you've made your selections, look for the Hide option, usually at the bottom of the screen. Tap Hide and then confirm your choice when prompted. That's it. The photos you selected will no longer appear in the tagged section of your profile, but you'll still be tagged in them. This means your friends and followers won't see these photos when they visit your profile, but the original posts and tags remain unchanged. If you ever want to unhide a photo, you can follow these same steps and bring it back to your profile. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our other Instagram tips. See you next time.